I have been streaming on TikTok for a month. I wanted to explain sort of my ideas about how that all works. This change happened like about a month ago, right? They changed this line. Can I stream exclusively simultaneously on other platforms and services, also known as simulcasting? Simulcasting on short form mobile services such as TikTok or Instagram Live are allowed. I went to TikTok. I saw some random dude not interacting with chat, just playing Warzone, 500 live viewers. I was like, all right, this is easy money. I'll just simulcast. I'll be super big, not have to do a whole lot of work. What I did is I Googled how to go live on TikTok. And it said, you need to have 1,000 followers to unlock TikTok Live. All I did was I looked for follow train. I would look at this stuff. It would be dumb stuff like this. I'm following everybody who follows the account, right? You see everybody just typing in random stuff. You like this, people will follow you. That's all you have to do. I did this for like 3 weeks until I got 1,000 followers. All right, where do I go get my stream key? So this is the problem you're gonna run into if you're trying to do a gaming stream on TikTok. There is no stream key. They outsource their PC streaming to another company, so they are very much not inclined to give out stream keys to anybody. What 1,000 followers does get you is on the phone app, you can press go live. And this sucks. At 18K, you get the mobile gaming version of the button. And if you get the mobile gaming version of the button, you would just bring up your Twitch stream on your phone and just stream that, and you would be good to go. You have two choices. One, have an agency that will sponsor you to get you a stream key, or two, sign up for a Restream service. I went to Restream and they required you to have the stream key, so that wasn't very helpful. I ended up finding Lula TV. And the cool thing about Lula TV, you just have to be able to go live. So they're like a Restream service, but the kicker is it's not free. If you do the free session, it's a max of 20 minutes, which does not work for me. So I went to premium. While it says 720p at 60 FPS, which is what I stream in, it does not tell you that you cannot use certain bit rates. I couldn't handle that, right? Because what I ended up using, multiple RTMP outputs plugin. And if I streamed at a different bit rate, I would have to use a different encoder. You end up having to pay the $40 if you want to do this Restream thing. How did my TikTok experience actually go? We'll look at the live center. You'll see that this is not a lot of views. Well, 121 is not bad. And the thing that's very interesting is that 94% of the views were from suggested live videos. Here's the thing I have realized about TikTok viewers. They do not want to watch Twitch streams. 11-second watch time. 1 minute and 11 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 22 seconds. 8 seconds. 2 seconds. 22 seconds. These people are not going to be in there for the long haul. Maybe it's because my content is boring or whatever. I'll take the L. I guess is if they wanted to watch gaming streams, they would be on Twitch. I wouldn't recommend streaming on TikTok. I don't think it's worth the hassle. I don't think it's worth the money. And I don't think the audience is particularly interested. Don't pay the $50. Don't do it. That's the end of my rant.